you're on the road, you need a partner. Someone who's got your back, delivering the system that gets you where you need to go and saving you time and money. Someone who's earned your trust, so you don't have to worry when you're far away from home. It starts with craftsmanship and ends with innovation. With a team driven with the mindset to deliver the best experience, so you can focus on what's really important. Providing you with a system and services built for your trucking success. We're with you all the way.